Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by launching Google Earth and getting your coordinates into a usable format. Decimal degrees are simplest. Once the app is open, make sure you're signed in if you want to save pins. Next, connect your GPS device or copy the coordinate string to the clipboard so you can paste it. This avoids manual typing errors. Finally, switch to the search box at the top left. You'll paste or type the coordinates there to move directly to the location. After you paste the coordinates and press enter, Google Earth will fly to that exact spot. This is how you confirm the values are correct. Once there, use the mouse or on-screen controls to zoom, tilt, and rotate so you can inspect features and elevation. This helps when verifying waypoints. If you have many points, import a KML/KMZ file or create placemarks one by one and assign names. Make sure to save them to My Places so you can revisit or export later. To finish, save your work by exporting placemarks as KML or KMZ so other apps can use them. Right-click the folder and choose Save Place As. Use the ruler to measure paths or confirm distances before you leave. If a location seems incorrect, recheck the coordinate format, decimal versus DMS, and ensure plus or minus signs denote hemisphere correctly. Small sign mistakes move points thousands of meters. If import fails, simplify the file and retry to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.